No, he's not ready to get him to chase him. Did you get eggs? Run for the sake of you.
You gotta go. And I have found.
Oh, lovely. That's weird.
Here.
The goat was chasing them, so we started recording.
I'll go one to the right.
Don't go over near the cars, guys. No, don't touch that part either. Come over back this way, guys. Come away from their stuff. Straight up. Come away from their stuff. Come this way.
Come on, let's go. Run.
Oh, he's so cute. He's chasing them.
Right? Going. Going like.
She's just making a little noise. She's tired, I think.
Got a loaded gun.
She was chasing him. I just put that thing away right now. Give it to me. Put it in my bag right now. No, it's not. Put it in my bag.
Come on, let's go. She doesn't want running. So I want to touch that. She needs a rest, guys. She's tired, just like the dogs get tired. Yeah, so cute. Where's that? I want it.
That's her little horns growing.
Let's go see the running touchdown. Come on. Let's go see the running touchdown.
Stay away from that stuff that's over there. Come. Oh, see, she's following him. As soon as they start running, she follows him and runs with him. But she's tired now. Which is so cute. Look, you guys have more energy than the baby goat. She was jumping. It was so cute. As soon as I brought... No, she doesn't fetch.